Humans are remarkable, adaptable, and resilient animals, but like every other living thing, we have certain physiological requirements. A good rule to remember is that without air, humans will die in 3 minutes. If you don't believe me, you can try it and you'll get the idea pretty quickly. Without shelter, 3 hours. Imagine standing in the winter wind with no clothes on. And clothes are a form of shelter, particularly useful for a naked ape like us. Without water, we can survive for 3 days, and without food, 3 weeks. To a person skilled in the outdoors, these practical requirements are translated directly into the equipment and supplies they carry, and form the basis of planning any trip. For us in our modern lives, we take a lot of this for granted. Our house, electricity, water on tap, a fridge, cupboard, a nearby supermarket, clothes in the closet, all providing us with shelter, water and food. Many people in the area around Gloucester realise just how dependent they are on these things and the sheer panic that can overwhelm them when they largely disappeared as a result of the floods this summer. Many of my clients live in this area and have been prompted to ask me about what they should keep to hand and what they should be thinking about if something similar happens again. The order in which to consider things will vary depending on the exact situation, but whether you're going for a walk in the woods or hills, get caught in a big traffic jam, your power and water is cut off, or you're involved in a major incident, the 6 key things to consider will always be shelter, heat, light, water, food and hygiene. For an urban environment and a temporary loss of the necessities of life, think about what will make you more comfortable for the first 24 hours, then 48 hours, then 72 hours. The authorities will be planning to evacuate you if you were left without water and electricity for longer than this. On a very practical note, even a house without electricity provides elemental shelter. Other people generate heat, so you can always move into one room for the duration. If you are cold, wear outdoor clothes inside the house, and always keep a hat, gloves and waterproof jacket in your car. Other than the house, your car is the next most useful shelter available to you. It has fuel, which will provide heat and is a form of emergency accommodation. Get a small and cheap Primus gas stove and a spare gas canister. You can purify questionable water by boiling it for 5 minutes and heat up some basic food. Keep some candles and matches for light. In a busy igloo, one candle keeps the temperature at around 15 degrees. Keep a torch and spare batteries in the house and in the car. You should always have a supply of clean drinking water and assume 3 litres per person per day as a minimum. Fill the bath if you know water is going to be cut off, and always keep water in your car. You should always have some tinned goods, preferably self-opening, for example beans, soup, fruit, and keep some energy bars and chocolate in your car and try not to eat them before you need them. For all of you who have been considering these questions more seriously of late, I hope this helps. Cree.